Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Tesla, and it's a Tesla Cyberquad. Casting is by Hotwheels and it's new for 2025. I'm not sure, but I thought Hotwheels did a Cyberquad a few years ago, or maybe like just for the RLC or something, where you can get, or maybe for the remote control one. I don't know, but they did Cyberquad if I'm not wrong. But here we have the mainline one. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Tesla Cyberquad out of its box, and unlike a lot of quads, it was electric, so that's why you'll see this big cooling or big package where the motor was packaged. Let's talk about the details on this one. The finish on this is more like what you see on the Cybertruck, like stainless steel thing. You got a headlamp there. It's again like a straight, straight LED bar. You got your controls. Obviously, it's a quad. So you got the seat, which is finished in black. Mud flaps or mud guards, you could say. And again, the tail lamp is also a single LED bar. Apart from that, you also got some good details like shock absorbers, front and back. You can see, so they are detailed. And you also got the footrest here, obviously to put your feet when you're riding it. Something else that I noticed is there are no details on the bottom, like nothing. You only get this logo again, which doesn't contain any writing in it. Is it on all the Cyberquads or is it just mine? I don't know. But yeah, overall it looks like a. Oh yeah, I didn't notice this. It's got different wheels front and back. I don't know if it's the same thing on the actual one, which was also a limited production kind of thing, but different wheels front and back, and also in the width, front are much thinner compared to the rear one. So I haven't seen one in real life. I thought Tesla sold few of them, like a limited one, so I don't have any reference to it. Like, yeah, it looks like a decent casting. Actually a nice casting. I'm not a huge fan of the paint on these Teslas though. Non-painted surface on these Teslas though. But again, everyone has their own taste. Yeah, so those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.